Hello everyone. We have been writing JavaScript and watching it run line by line. But what actually happens before the first line executes? How JavaScript know where your variable live or which function to run when you call it? The answer is execution context. An execution context is an environment in which your JavaScript code runs. Think of it as workspace. Before running any code, JavaScript set up this workspace to track your variable, your functions, and exactly which line is currently on. Two rules govern how this workspace are created. Every program begins with single global execution context, and every function call spins up its own function execution context. Here is the starting point. Before anything declares JavaScript starts, then it creates the global execution context and then executes the global code. Anything you declare outside of a function, like variables, functions, that belongs to the global execution context. But here is the twist. JavaScript does not jump straight into running your code. Every execution context, global or otherwise, run into two distinct phases. First is memory creation phase. JavaScript scans the entire file and reserve memory for every variable function without running anything yet. It's purely a setup pass. Next we have execution phase. With memory in place, JavaScript reads the code top to bottom and actually runs each line. Let's understand this with an example. So phase 1 is memory creation. Before running the code, JavaScript scans the entire code. First it finds X. Because it is declared with var, it reserves a slot and files it with undefined for now. Then it finds greet and stores the whole function definition, not just placeholder. Nothing has run at this point. Everything is simply staged and ready. Then we have the next phase, which is the execution phase. Now x equal to 10 replaces the earlier undefined with 10, and console log reads the value and print 10, and then greet function is triggered. Calling a function creates a brand new execution context layered on top of global one. The moment greet is called, JavaScript pauses the global context and open a fresh workspace for the function. Inside it, console log hello prints hello, and once the function returns, the workspace is thrown away. JavaScript no longer needs it, and control hands back to global context, which picks up wherever it left off. Every program follows this step. It opens the global execution context, stages memory, then runs line by line. Each function call carves out its own context that lives only as long as the function does, created on the call and destroyed on the return. The cycle repeats for every call until the program finishes. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching.